Okay, so I'm there. No, I'm not there. Where am I? I want to be on Bellevue Boulevard East and Orchidi. I'm way the hell over here. Well, hello there. I think it's been a while since I've done one of these. Now it's summer, it's August. We're here where the signs say arrête instead of stop in the province of Quebec. Technically illegal to be back here, but I go back here anyway. I do silly things out here like, let's see, second gear stupidness. I'm still not that good at it. That looks like it's been destroyed since last time I was here. Huh. Just kind of dinking around. I've never been back there. I'm a little concerned about going back there because I can't read the signs. It says like no trespassing, but I don't understand them. It's in French. Starting to get to the point where I can kind of hold them, but I've been taking really nice slow baby steps at getting to that point. So yeah, I just come out here and I practice. I will say it is a lot easier to do it standing up. When you're standing up, you can shift your weight around a little more. What is he doing? Hey, he's got a bike. Alright. Yeah, it's a nice little bike. Huh. Back to the wheelies. That was the best yet, but I keep running out of power before I can't get it to just sit. I made a new jump. Just going around circles to kind of make it official. Everybody should practice stuff like this. Really slow kind of technical stuff, even if it's simple as this. Because you're going to come up to an obstacle like that some point off-road, right? Like even this really steep, but I can get up and over it. All about body positioning, letting the bike do the work underneath you, and kind of go for the ride. Oh, bottomed out my forks. Okay, let's try that again. More control. Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Come up this. Then I have to maneuver. There we go. Slow turns. Full lock. Slow turns. Oh, almost full lock. Getting dizzy. That's gnarly because I can't see what the hell I'm going over. Whoa. Okay, so I'm sitting here, I want to turn 180 degrees. Foot planted. Huh. Nope, that didn't turn it. Lean the bike more. Whoop. Spins out on you. cruise on home now. What's going on here? Oh, is that? I see. Oh shoot. How else am I supposed to get around? So I live right there. I guess I gotta go around somehow. Am I? Where I am, I don't know. Okay, the question is this going the right direction at all? She wants a wheelie too. Everybody wants wheelies, but I'm not good at them yet. Alright. So we're trying to figure out where the hell we are now. Okay, so I'm there. No, I'm not there. Where am I? I want to be on Bellevue Boulevard East and Orchidi. I'm way the hell over here. So if I keep going on Grand Boulevard, I guess I'll be fine. And here we are. Oh boy. Knew that wasn't gonna work. Oh no. That didn't work well at all. That broke off.